live images coming in of actor superstar Akshay Kumar there at the Mahakumbh, set to take a holy dip. You can see the frenzy around him as devotees are also thronging the area. Let's cut across to reactions coming in.
याद है 2019 में जब पिछला कुंभ हुआ था तो लोग गठरी लेके आते थे। अब तो इस वक्त तो सब बड़े बड़े लोग आ रहे हैं, अंबानी आ रहे हैं, अडानी आ रहे हैं, बड़े बड़े एक्टर आ रहे हैं, सब आ रहे हैं। तो ये इसे कहते हैं मतलब किस हिसाब से महाकुंभ ये इंतजाम किया हुआ है, ये बहुत ही बढ़िया है। और मैं सारे ही जितने भी पुलिस वाले हैं, जितने भी वर्कर हैं, जिन्होंने सबका इतना ध्यान रखा है, उनका हाथ जोड़ के बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद करना चाहता हूँ। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।
Okay, a message there from Akshay Kumar. He's taken the holy dip, as you see in those images there, and hailing, in fact, the UP government for the arrangements that have been made, saying the who's who of the country and the world has now reached here in Prayagraj to take a holy dip at the Mahakumbh. We've seen several celebrities, industrialists coming together here at the Kumbh to take the dip. It's the last 2 days of the Mahakumbh, so expect more celebrities, more influential names to be there at the Kumbh to take a holy dip. Actor Akshay Kumar there seen offering prayers as he took the dip at the Triveni Sangam. You can see the frenzy around us. Fans are also with their phones out clicking a picture of the actor there. In fact, joining a slew of other Bollywood celebrities who in the last few weeks have made their way to Prayagraj and taken the dip at the Triveni Sangam. Seems to be also accompanied by his family members as he made his way into the Sangam and took that holy dip. We're seen also taking a minute or two to offer prayers. We've seen a list of celebrities, the likes of Tamanna Bhatia, Vicky Kaushal, Anupam Kher and several others, Rajkumar Rao. It's a long list of celebrities who've made their way from Mumbai to Prayagraj to be a part of this Mahakumbh, take the holy dip. You also saw, of course, Coldplay's Chris Martin many weeks ago when he was here for his tour, also making his way to Prayagraj and taking the holy dip. And all of these celebrities, you're seeing, of course, the message that they also put out immediately after, hailing the kind of arrangements that have been made, making it possible for crores of people to come there and take a dip and be a part of the Mahakumbh. Okay, let's bring in Santosh Sharma. He's joining us live from Prayagraj, from the Mahakumbh. Santosh, we've seen the images right now of Akshay Kumar taking the holy dip, joining a long list of Bollywood celebrities who visited Prayagraj, who've soaked in the fervour of the Kumbh.
This is the auspicious occasion for not only for the celebrities, for the common people, those who are coming for the Prayagraj to take the holy dip in Sangam. And we can say that this is the day or the place where the more than 1.25 crores persons take holy dip daily in Sangam. And right now, today, there is going to be a world record of by the sanitation worker, those who from the last 42 days, they are continuously cleaning the streets, they are cleaning the Sangam area, they are cleaning the Kumbh Mela area. And today, 15,000 cleaners will participate in this world record. And you can see in the visuals, all these are gathered together in a ground, and such type of 4 gatherings are there in this whole Kumbh Mela, where 15,000, more than 15,000 sweepers will get together and they will clean the streets, and this is going to be a world record, and the Guinness Book of World Record jury is there. There will be geotagging on each member's hand, and this will write a record. This will become a record in Kumbh area, and this will be the second record. Before that, cleaning of any river record was done by
so you're seeing world records also being set there at the Kumbh, which is amazing to see. Let's play out once again what Akshay Kumar had to say after taking the dip.
बहुत ही मजा आया, बहुत बढ़िया इंतजाम है, बहुत अच्छी तरह, मतलब हम यहाँ के सीएम साहब योगी साहब का बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद करते हैं कि इतना अच्छा इंतजाम कर रखा है। अब तो इस वक्त तो सब बड़े बड़े लोग आ रहे हैं, अंबानी आ रहे हैं, अडानी आ रहे हैं, बड़े बड़े एक्टर आ रहे हैं, सब आ रहे हैं। तो ये इसे कहते हैं मतलब किस हिसाब से महाकुंभ ये इंतजाम किया हुआ है, ये बहुत ही बढ़िया है।